Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about my story, how I started learning this language and what happened at the time when I took decisions to just learn this language. Today I'm going to say with all of you. You know what I personally think sharing my English journey and my story, it will motivate you, it will inspire you, and especially it will inspire those of them who are coming from middle class family and rural place. They don't have any environment, and instead of they are to learn this language but not having any motivation now. So only for those people I'm making this video, and especially for beginners, they have a lot of question in her mind, in their mind, like why should I learn this language and what will happen if I learn this language. Okay, today I'm going to discuss all of things, and today I'm going to clarify a lot of things. Why should you learn this language, especially in this time, and why it is very important to all individuals lives, especially in this time. Actually, let me tell you my story, how I started and how I took decisions to learn this language. You know what happened at the moment when I used to talk to my friend about something, and in that situation, so my one friend who had been studying English medium school, okay, and he just spoke in English something, and it went out to my mind. I didn't understand. I insisted a lot. I insisted on my friend to just explain me what he spoke to me, but he didn't explain me. Instead of he was telling me like I would not let you understand what I spoke to you. It's totally up to you, like how would you understand what I spoke to you. So at that time I got a lot of confusions. I was thinking whom I should ask about the meaning of that statement. I used to doubting on my friend as well, like maybe he was abusing me and I was not able to understand. So I was doubting on my friends. So you know what I did that time, I felt so irritating on me, and I became a lot of furious at myself because I was not able to understand their meaning, right? That's why. So what I did that time, I just wrote that words, that sentence on Google, and I got to know he spoke to me like you can't learn this language, it's a not a play boy. He just spoke with me thus that sentence. So that situations made me determined, to just learn this language at any cost, I would say. So that time I just took as a decisions for me, like no matter how much I have to just learn this language, and I want to be a good in this. But the one questions entered in my mind that time, how would I learn? And because for learning this language you have to take classes, you have to spend money, right? And I was not able to spend even 100 rupees on any platform, even online or offline. So that were the difficulties, for me. So but I was lucky enough for having the one smartphone. So I consider I should utilize this phone in order to find some way, to learn this language. That time just I just made my mind like I have to do. So at the first time when I opened the YouTube, and then I just wrote down like how to learn English. So I just got the one content, and the one ma'am used to say learning this language you have to need of only listening somebody. If those people, if the any person are talking to each other, so you have to listen them, and after that you have to imitating. So it made me little curious that time. I used to listen them, and at my room I used to practice. I know it was quite funny and weird for my family, because whenever I used to do at my room, so many of them entered in my room and staring me and just talking to each other what they are doing every time. He become mad like that, a statement I used to have from through my family member. But instead of I was ignoring them because I knew it, like they are not able to understand what I am doing. But after getting succeed, they would realize very soon what I used to do earlier. I had a belief on me. Okay, so I kept moving on the same direction, and I used to do a lot of things every single day. I used to listen English content and English, all things I used to go through. I used to been through. Totally, I was I was into them. Like I had just created an environment for me to be existence into this, into that. Okay, I used to watch movies. I used to watch episodes. And the entire the content into must be belonging to English. Okay, I just made an environment for myself. Okay, so that I can sustain myself. I could sustain myself for a long time, because what happened at a moment you took decisions for, I would do this, I would do that, and after a couple of times you lose your determination, you forget your decisions. It happens usually with everyone. So I didn't want to do such kinds of things like others. So for holding myself, I at as much as effort I would do that my previous times, I mean that my beginnings I used to do. I created an environment for myself. I was holding myself. I was putting my effort as much as I could at that time. Okay, I used to visit a lot of store, shop, a lot of store in order to find the books as well, because one ma'am used to suggest the like as a beginner, if you are reading books, so it will also very effective manner to improve your English as soon as possible, and as well as you can get a lot of words as well. So I used to do, I used to multiple store in order to find some story book, but I was unable to find it because it was very difficult to finding books at a store, because I'm coming from rural place, so it was not easy, okay, to find any books, any store, especially English. So I used to just online. I have been through the online, and I remember at the first time I bought the one book randomly. That book, that was the name I forget it, but that was a random book, random selection, I would say. That time I just bought randomly, because that time I was so curious and fascinated towards my communication improvement, my spoken English. So randomly I bought it and I started reading. And do not believe on me, after reaching 15 days of reading that books, I lost my interest. I started getting dull and boring feeling from inside. So I was not able to sustain so long on the same directions, because reading books is a very handy and lengthy task for every learners, I would say. So I was not able to follow so long, so I lefting the reading option, I would say. But I couldn't give up in speaking, because I used to do that whether I want or not. That was my determinations. I took decisions and promises to me, like no matter how, but I have to. I kept moving on the same direction. Okay, so whether I lefting of reading books, but I kept on talking with myself and talking with my friends as well. Broken sentence, I would say. Like that time I was not able to create even single sentence in a good form, so I used to block a lot of statement, even though I couldn't stop myself. So because of this reason, I used to get a lot of taunting on me through my friends, my colleagues. But what happens when you are in a full of excitement and enthusiasm, that time no matter what kinds of criticism are you getting to others, it doesn't affect you, and this is a true, right? So the same thing happened with me. I didn't care about others, what they used to say me. I kept moving on. Okay, and yeah, and then after what I did, then again one day I got to know the one village boy coming from rural place, and they were talking to people in English in a video chat. So I got an idea and I started talking with others. Then I got to know like I reach on the right track. Okay. Then my journey has been started from that moment. Okay. And because of that reason, still I'm able to talk to every person, because at the earlier time what I did and what I used to do, because of that reason, still I'm able to do and I'm able to talk to any person. So I would say you can also do this like me, what I used to do earlier. And I'm giving you my story to all of you, because I'm expecting from you all to get some motivation after listening my story, and you do the same thing what I did earlier, because determination and dedication towards your communication or towards your skill, your goals, it's very imperative to you all. So you should also do the same what I did, right? So it is my little effort to motivate all of you by sharing my story, and I believe you must do, you must follow. Hope this story will motivate you and remind you your decisions what you took earlier at a moment, and hope you will be working, you would be start today. So thank you so much for being a stay with me and listening carefully. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.